Haley, today is the best day of the rest of our lives. Today binds us together in eternal love. I can't wait to see you walk down to me in your miraculously chosen wedding dress. You're beautiful, funny, caring, passionate, and a million other adjectives that wouldn't come close to describing how amazing you are. If your love for me and Bruno is an example of our life together, it will be the best life, and when the time is right, it's proof that you'll be an amazing mother to our children. Love you forever.
Trent, as I sit here and listen to the rain on our wedding morning, I can't help but feel anything other than lucky that I'm marrying you. I can't believe that it's actually happening. Even though we have been together, what some people would think a long time, it feels so fresh to me, and your love is never boring. I can't wait to spend the rest of my life with you, and then some. I feel like I need to be pinched that I'm sitting in the rainforest, preparing for our wedding. You have given me a life I only ever dreamed of and didn't think would happen until I met you, and you made it a reality. I love you so much, it hurts my heart. So, see you at the aisle, Haley B. Haley, I want to start by saying thank you. Thank you for loving me with as much passion and loyalty as you do. Also for being my anchor through some of the toughest times in my life, always keeping me smiling and positive throughout. We've already accomplished so much together, including our graduate degrees. This is something only 1.5% of the population can say that they've achieved. We did it together in the same house without killing each other. You motivate me to be the best that I can be at everything I do. Haley, I vow to be your toughest ally and do all I can do to support you in your endeavors. I promise to play golf at least once a week to allow you time to relax and pamper yourself. I promise that there's nothing too difficult that we can't get through together. I promise to never forget our anniversary and not get mad when you do. I promise to be responsible for dressing myself at least 98% of the time. And I promise to be faithful and loyal in all I do, everything I can to show you to love and give you joy every day. Whether we take over the world or opt for an early retirement in Italy, I know that we'll be able to look back and say we couldn't have done it without each other. We've already done so much together, and I can only look enviously at our future, knowing the best is yet to come.
Trent, you stole my heart when I was just 16, and now I will forever be yours. In the beginning, I never would imagine that one day I'd be your wife, and now, as I stand here, I can't imagine marrying anyone else. I always wondered who I would marry and what his name would be, but I never thought we would already share the same name. The three things I love and admire most about you is how incredibly dedicated and hardworking you are, your abundance of patience, and your genuine love and support that makes every day the best day. I promise to not get angry when you forget to shut the shower curtain, or when you use my toothbrush to clean the coffee machine. I promise to love you unconditionally, to support you in your goals and dreams, to share my hopes and dreams with you, and just as you are the calm to my crazy, I promise to bring you solace in times of need. Today, I have the absolute pleasure of becoming your wife. Trent Richard Burchett, I give you my hand, my heart, and love forever and always.
Haley is a beautiful, genuine person and has a heart of gold. She is a wonderful friend, a faithful partner, caring, sweet, and downright hilarious. For as long as I've known Haley, she has loved Trent with all that she has, and always is his biggest fan and supporter. Trent is one lucky man. And Haley is one lucky lady herself. Trent adores Haley and treats her like the princess she is. Trent is protective, kind, funny, and loves Haley with his whole heart. Haley and Trent, you two are made for each other, and I have no doubt in my mind that you will spend the rest of your lives loving each other deeply and living out your happily ever after.
One of the best moments for me personally was watching you give her away, because I have a little girl, and I hope she finds somebody like you. So, to the new couple,